Namaste to all JVNs. Myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about media preparation, which is MS Media, and here we will discuss about part 1 of media preparation. First of all, we will use and we will measure distilled water with the help of measuring cylinder. Here we are preparing approximately 1 liter media. So we will take 750 or 800 ml distilled water, and then we will put distilled water, this measured distilled water, into 1 liter beaker. We will transfer distilled water into it. Before starting, before starting preparation of media, you have to calculate each and every component according to media requirement. If you are using 1 liter media, then you have to calculate all the components like MS media, which is 4.4 gram required in 1 liter, and sucrose, which is needed 30 gram for 1 liter, agar for 7 gram for 1 liter, and hormones concentration should be according to your standardized protocol. So here we are preparing, here we are measuring MS media. So first of all, we will start weighing balance. We will tear after putting paper or blotting paper on weighing balance sheet, and after getting zero balance, then we will put our MS media and we will measure MS media through measuring cylinder. After measuring MS media, we will transfer it into beaker which is having distilled water, and then we will put this solution onto magnetic stirrer. We will put magnetic bead into beaker, and then we will put it on magnetic stirrer to dissolve all the components of MS media properly. We should note one more thing, that we should mark beaker with their concentration. For example, if we are preparing 0.5 ms by 2 plus 0.5 NaA, then we have to mark with the permanent marker on beaker, so it will be easy to locate and to identify that in which beaker we have to put which kind of a media concentration. So basically it will be helpful, because here you can simply see that we are preparing two types of media. As you can see, we are putting magnetic bead. We will set stirrer speed according to our desire and according to our benefits. So this kind of a stirring should be continued till media will be proper dissolved in distilled water. So here, this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Namaste to all JVNs. Today we will discuss about second part of media preparation. In this step, we will follow further steps of media preparation. Here you can simply see that sucrose will be measured through weighing balance. Here we will basically measure 6 gram of sucrose because we are preparing 200 ml of media. And from 1 liter, sucrose is required 30 grams. After measuring of sucrose, we will put it aside, and then when its requirement will come, we will add. So if I talk about the steps which will be followed in media preparation, so first of all you have to measure distilled water, then measure MS media, add MS media into distilled water, then stirrer on magnetic stirrer. After that, we have to add hormones according to our standardized protocol. After that, we have to maintain pH. pH should be approximate 5.9, and after adjusting pH, we will add sucrose in media, and then we adjust complete media concentration. For example, if we are preparing 1 liter media, so in the starting we are having only distilled water approximately 800 ml. So after adding all hormones, media and sucrose, now we will make up this solution up to 1 liter. After adjusting, after making up 1 liter media, then we will add agar in the solution. And after that, we go for the boiling process with the help of microwave. And after boiling, we will transfer media into their respective conical flasks. Conical flasks also should be marked with their specific media concentration, especially hormone concentration. And after pouring media into conical flasks, we have to put cotton plug onto conical flasks to seal them, and then we have to put silver foil on that and rubber band to tighten it up. So these all the steps which we will follow during our media preparation. So this is the sum up of part 2 of media. After mixing MS media into distilled water completion, and we have to put it down from magnetic stirrer beaker, we have to put it down, and then we need to adjust our micropipette for hormone concentration. So in this process, you can see that we are adjusting micropipette for basically taking hormones. In this solution, we are preparing MS by 2 plus 0.5 NAA solution. NAA is a hormone, so we are using already prepared hormone. We have to note down one thing, and we should be careful that all the hormones should be at low temperature, so we have to put it into fridge. So for 1 ml we have to add 0.5 NaA into 1 liter medium. After adding hormones, we will adjust pH through pH meter. After adding hormone, we have to maintain pH of MS media. pH of MS media should be in range of 5.9 to 6.4, but generally we maintain the pH for specific plant. For example, if we are preparing MS media for Stevia rebaudiana plant, so it need pH of 5.7. So here we are preparing and maintaining pH. So first of all, we have to rinse our bulb of pH meter, and it should be clean and wipe out with the help of tissue paper. Then we have to wait to adjust pH, actual pH of media. Here it is showing 6.89. So it is more than we require. So we will adjust pH by using one normal SCL, and we will add drop by drop, because only one drop can change 10 to 0.10 to 0.20 pH. So, and after adjusting pH, we have to move out bulb, and then again we have to clean it and then place it into the solution in which it always depends. So this is a sum up of this session. After adjusting pH, we have to now add sucrose in pH maintained media. Here you can see the process. Here we are putting sucrose, which is measured, into the MS media, and then again we stir it with the help of magnetic stirrer. After adding sucrose, we have to adjust and make up our media at their final volume. Here you can simply see this is the MS media only lacking agar. So we are adjusting and making up to its final concentration with the help of measuring cylinder. We will take out magnetic bead from the media. During the all process, we have to use only autoclaved distilled water. For media preparation, we have to use it. Now we have adjusted volume of MS media. Here we are preparing MS by 2 plus zero point 0.5 NaA. This media is basically used for routing. Now we are going to add agar. This is the final step for preparation of media. After adding agar, now we will go for boiling of media so that agar can be dissolved easily into the media. Agar we use in media just to make media solidify. So agar give a base to media. After adding agar, we will mix it thoroughly and then we put complete media container into microwave. Here you can see the process for warming. We have to boil it properly. After boiling media, we have to transfer boiled media into their respective conical flask or boiling tubes. Here we can see the process. Now, after adding media, we have to seal boiling tubes by using cotton plugs. After pouring all media and plunging with plugs, we will cover cotton plugs by using silver foil and rubber band to seal it properly. After pouring media, now we will cover all the boiling tubes and conical flask with silver foil. We prepare other accessories also like petri dishes, forceps, spatula along with that. And now we are putting all the things into autoclave for autoclaving process to complete sterilization of media and other accessories. After putting all the accessories into autoclave, we have to set autoclave, we have to close autoclave. So here we can see the process. We have to adjust all the walls and make it tight proper. Before using autoclave, we have to check water level required for making steam in autoclave. If it is up to red level, which is already marked in the autoclave, so that's fine. Then we can use the autoclave. So this is how we can prepare and sterilize MS media, and these are the all steps which we follow during preparation. So this session is now sum up, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.